My slime is right. You just have to let it cool. So that's slime. It's like, it's pretty cool. You notice that? Okay. So we just want to leave it overnight, or like about 2 hours. You can leave it for 1, 2, or 30 minutes. No, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 30 minutes. But that's like, mine looks like, it feels like slime. This looks like too. It's so yeah. So that's part 2. I'm gonna make in part 3 because that's not very complete. So yeah. Okay. Make a part 3 like tomorrow in the morning. My slime will be done by then. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Sorry, my voice.